Should I do a full tour now? Empty?
Tour.
Okay. Hello guys. I promised you that I would do a moving vlog part 2. So for the past month-ish, I've been filming every time we made any sort of like updates or whatever to the apartment. But basically for the last month, I've been trying to make my room, and we've been trying to make the living room as roommates look as much like our Pinterest boards as possible, while still being college students, obviously like on a budget, and we want the place to still feel homey. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get straight into it. We put all our drinks on here, and then we've hung that poster up there. Woo! Today is Ikea day, which is always fun. Me, Cass, and Chloe are going with Chloe's boyfriend, Gabe. We have a couple things that we want to look for the whole apartment, and then a couple things that I want to see if they have for my room. I need to get a frame, some more hangers. I want to see if they maybe have some sort of like outdoor flooring, because I really need to get something that I can put on my balcony, because at the moment this is from the old tenants and it like works for right now, but I just want something to cover everything, since the balcony is like decently big enough to like sit on and stuff, but just the like floor of it is not doing it for me. So I'm gonna see what I can find. I did look online and they had some options, but they're just a bit pricey, so I'm gonna need to take a look and see what I can do. But yeah, that is the plan for the day. Should be fun. Hopefully when I come back today I can like finish setting up everything else that I want to hang in my room, because I've been waiting to like get frames and stuff before I can actually like hang anything. Cute couple. Lonely. Couple love. Oh wow. Oh, is it comfy?
It was gonna break. No.
It's not comfy?
It's warm and pleasant.
Oh, that's unfortunate. We're walking around the showroom right now. We're trying to see if we can get any ideas for like just random things that we still want to pick up for the place. We just got another pillow cover because one of the pillow covers that the place came with is kind of ugly. So we're switching it up. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. We're gonna get some nice glasses, because right now we have no like martini glasses or anything. Oh, these are nice, yeah.
Oh, they're beautiful.
I'm trying to see if I can find like a longer pillow like this. But all of these patterns are kind of ugly. Pillow testing.
It's nice.
I need more hangers, so I think I'm gonna grab like 2 more of these. I think we're gonna get a rug for the living room. I kind of like these types of rugs. I just don't know if it like if this would look good in my room or not. I think this would be cute like next to, oh my god, never mind. So much shit, oh my god. We are back with all our stuff. Oh my god, these glasses.
Oh, they look so cute!
Yay. Our little helper.
We're gonna pick up a moving new video.
Literally. Okay, we just got back. I'm gonna do a quick Ikea haul. We got a dish drying rack thingy because the one we have right now is a little bit small. 2 big plant pots for the bigger plants we have. We got tea towels because we don't have enough of these. And then a salad spinner. I got a frame for my room because I want to frame one of the posters that I have. Then I also got a long pillow because I want to add another pillow onto my bed. We got the glasses I already showed, and then also this little like shaker thingy so that we can make cocktails. We've got disposable Ziploc bags and some reusable ones, so we can like kind of transition to using these more. For the bathroom, a little like floor mat, and finally some shot glasses. I think that is everything. Yeah. We moved the TV forward because it was really far from the couch. So we got a little rug at Ikea, to kind of like make this area look a little bit more filled and welcoming. And then that way we can also cover like this extension cord. So we're gonna test it out because we don't know if it's too small.
Ours is actually like,
It's so small.
We should get a big one.
so I just put it in my room
Yeah.
and see how it looks.
Okay, update. Fits better in Chloe's room, so she's gonna keep it. I think it looks good here.
Yeah,
It's honestly cute. I'm so excited to finally frame this poster that I bought.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard.
Frame is up. I think that looks good. I also just put this pillow here. I have yet to get a cover for it because I didn't like any of the ones at Ikea. But I think it's good. It adds a little bit more to the bed as well. We'll see what I end up doing for that. Looking good. I put a bunch of my decorations on these shelves when I was unpacking, but I'm not loving the setup. So I think today I'm gonna rearrange this to how I wanna keep it. I also have a bunch of like these little things that I wanna hang on the wall. I just don't know if I should put them on this side because I feel like I already have a lot going on with the shelving. So I'm thinking I put it in the corner over there since like, I think I like how this area looks, and I need something else to fill the wall space. I could hang it like over here, but then when my door is open, you can't see any of it. So I don't know. I feel like there's already a lot going on here. So if I were to hang a bunch of little photos here, it would be too much. Good afternoon, guys. It is the 11th of May. I'm gonna head to Rona right now. It's another like furniture type store, and I want to see if I can find any sort of outdoor furniture, like a table or something like that. And I looked online and they seem to have like a good shelving unit that I can use for my closet, because like this works, but it's not ideal. So I would love to have like 2 little shelves down here. I'm gonna take a look what they have. I'm going a little bit late, so I won't have a bunch of time to look around, but it's super close by. So just gonna get a gist of like what type of stuff they might have. Let's go do that. Outdoor furniture. They have a couple different options, but I don't know why it's so pricey. Maybe I'll end up just Amazoning. Even though our place is furnished and this dresser is obviously super nice, I have always wanted like a dark wood dresser. I think dark wood with like plants on top of it looks so nice, and my room in general is just like very white. Like all the furniture is white, so I feel like it'd be nice to have a pop of color. So I've been looking for different options for a while on Facebook Marketplace because I wasn't willing to like actually buy a whole new one because it just kind of seems like a waste of money. But today I was scrolling and I found one that I think I like. Looks like this. Super cute. I really like the color of it, and I think it's gonna like fit perfectly right into this slot here. So I think I'm gonna go pick this up today. I'm excited. I think it's really gonna like pull the room together. Okay, here we are. I'm on the street, just waiting for my Uber. It's like 10 minutes away. So I'll be able to just Uber XL it back, I think, and then Cass will help me carrying it up the stairs. She's so cute though. We took the drawers out just because it's easier, but I really like the color of it. Update, I waited for my Uber for like 20 minutes and then he got here and said he wouldn't take me. So I'm now waiting for another one. Hopefully the next guy takes me. I'm gonna message him and be like, hello, I have a dresser, please. Just want to get it home and then I can sit. Okay, I made it back. Dresser is here. I'm gonna clean the drawers because it is a little bit worn down. The girl who owned it before said they didn't use it anymore, so it's just kind of been in their storage unit for a while. So I'm gonna wipe it down and then I'm gonna move it into my room. I'm so happy though. I think the color of it looks so good. And then I'll put the shelves in and stuff. It's gonna look. Oh my God, yes. I'm so happy. It looks so good. Yeah, I think it looks so good. It just adds a little bit more color And I think the red in this poster complements a lot. And then the plant just like, and the dresser was only $40, which is not bad at all. I might move my bed a little further this way though, because I think the space looks like a little bit tight. Even though I couldn't find any outdoor furniture at Rona, I checked on Canadian Tire and I found a cute little like cheap table that I can use for sitting outside. So I ordered that and I'm gonna go pick that up today. I hope it looks good. It was only 20 bucks and I think it'll just be nice to have like a small table that I can like eat off of and stuff out there. I kind of like this. I want like a paper lamp like this. Cute. Successful. Amazing. I also ended up ordering turf. That's the exact size of the balcony on Amazon. So that's supposed to arrive in the next week. So I think that will make everything look a little bit more complete because then I'm gonna be able to cover like this gutter. And it'll just be like greenery here. And then, I don't know, we'll see if I end up keeping this like little carpet thing or not. Yeah, I'm excited. I think it's gonna be super cute. Yay. I'm gonna move everything that's already on here and put this down. Okay, here we go. This is the final result. It's like ever so slightly too small here. I must have gotten the measurements wrong, but I don't know if a foot longer would have been too long. Either way, I think this looks a whole lot better than it did before. So yay, I am still happy. I ended up ordering the string lights for the balcony. I'm excited. I'm gonna hang these up. Okay, cute. This is what we've got so far. I like this, but I just don't know if I should hang it like and attach it up here. So I feel like it might be nice if it's like high up, but I'm just gonna wait and see what it looks like at night, I think. Update, everything that I've basically been showing you guys recently has been for my room, but today we got a little order for the living room. We have like a hanging lamp that looks really good at night, but we don't have any sort of like colored lighting for the living room. So we ordered a little sunset lamp. Here we are. It has 4 different light options that I think you can connect with your phone. And it also comes with a, oh my god, fancy. It comes with like a little remote. I don't know if it has all these colors, but we'll see. Here she is. I don't know how to put this together because I think I just need batteries. I don't know. I'm confused. But then I will test it out. Okay, setup is complete. I just have it plugged in here right now because that's like the closest plug I could think of. But this is so cool. I can like change the colors. It looks so good. Oh my god. I could do like a little strobe flash moment. Oh my god, this is so fancy. If we had curtains right now, I would like make it dark in here to see what it looks like, but because we have the skylights, I can't really do that. Overall, very satisfied. So slay. Another one of our living room posters arrived. Super cute. We're gonna hang it in like this area because right now these walls are super plain. We also have these frames that the old tenants left, or I don't know if they came with the apartment, but we're gonna put that in the frame. Cute. Final product. We're gonna hang one more here at like a lower, but I think this looks good. Hello guys, it has now been almost exactly a month since we moved into this new apartment, and we've definitely added lots of things here and there over the last couple of weeks. We still have a couple of different things that we maybe want to add, things we might buy, all of that stuff, but I feel like a complete apartment really comes with time, and it's gonna be a while since we're completely happy with this place. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here and just show you guys everything that we've done so far. Obviously, because everything was furnished before, you guys aren't going to see a huge difference in terms of like an empty apartment versus like a fully decorated furnished place, but I definitely think the little accents and things that we've added have helped kind of make it feel a little bit more homey and our own. But yeah, to wrap up this video, we're going to do a quick before and after to give you guys a full rundown, so you guys can see the difference between how it looked when we moved in versus now. yeah, that is our apartment now. You'll definitely see a couple of new things still pop up in, you know, my upcoming vlogs and other videos and things like that. But I think we've like put up the biggest posters and all that stuff that we wanted to do when we first moved in here. That wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've obviously been filming it for forever, and I hope you guys like the apartment. I'm so happy here. It's been so nice having more space, and we're all just like so content with our living situation right now. I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.